This is called a Google form. When you go on your Google Classroom, we're going to click on, when it's time for grammar, click on the grammar assignment. So you are going to type your first and last name. For example, if my first name is Anne, I'm going to write Anne, and my last name is Garcia. I will type Anne Garcia, first and last name. So in case you forgot, this is a quick explanation of what nouns are. For lesson 1 that we were practicing, a noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. We were practicing a common noun, which is names any person, place, or thing, and then proper nouns that name a particular person, place, or thing. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. So here in this box is an example of common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are like the basic nouns that we say. For example, the one I gave you where I said the boys were talking in class. That is a common noun because we are saying a person or two people at this point, and we're just saying boys. If I were to now go into proper noun, I would use the students' names. So my example was Michael and August were talking in class. So now we're moving on to the proper nouns because I mentioned their name, which also means we have to capitalize their names for proper nouns. A place, a common noun for a place is like the street, okay? But if you say, I live on Pine Street, now you're going into proper nouns. You're giving an exact name of what your street is called where you live. A thing would be, for example, a month, holiday, cereal, okay? So today is considered a holiday. A proper noun would say that this is Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday or holiday. That's why we didn't have school. So now that's a proper noun. The directions, and this is independent practice, so you have to try to do this by yourself, is numbers 1 through 4. So you'll have 4 questions. You're going to choose the correct word or words to answer each question. I'm going to scroll down so you can see. Okay. Number 1. It says, which words in this sentence are nouns? This is the sentence. Chase Pod is in the large park. So is it Chase Pond? I gotta delete this, so I'll take this out. The Chase Pond and is the park, Chase Pond Park, or in and large? Which, excluding this one, ignore that. Which one of these 4 say that they're a noun? You have to select the best one you think. Next one, which words in this sentence are nouns? Mark and his sister often swim there. I have to correct that as well. My apologies. So, which words in these sentences are nouns? Mark, sister, and sister, his, often, Mark, swim. Select your best response. Then the last 2. Which noun in this sentence names a person? One day, Mira saw a frog and a turtle. So, remember to read the directions. Which noun in this sentence names a person? Day, Mira, frog, or turtle? Next question. Which noun in this sentence names a place? Miss Petal and her friend enjoy having a picnic on the beach. Miss Petal, friend, picnic, or beach. Remember to read the direction to give you the hint. Once you have selected all of them, and you have to select all of them, if not, you won't be able to hit submit. Once you select all of them, you hit submit and you are done with this assignment. Okay?